Hi, I'm Aldous. I work for Carbon Co-op. For the EBENTO Project, we're providing activities such as a pilot study in which we're monitoring 7 households, but we're also doing other activities such as replication activities for the project and involved in all sorts of areas of the project as well. Yeah, the pilot study that we're running is on some houses in the Levenshulme area of Manchester, which is an inner city area. The houses are mixed tenure, old early 20th century brick-built houses. The goal for our pilot site in EBENTO is to bring a major form of housing in the UK into the project and to make the project applicable to those houses. So we're looking at early 20th century brick-built terrace houses in the UK, and of these there are over 3 million in the UK alone. We also bring our cooperative element into the project. We are highly focused on the community and on provision of energy efficiency measures across the piece, so for those who are less able to afford in many situations. We have a lot of experience in retrofitting activities, having been working as an intermediary and an advisor on retrofit for over 10 years. But what EBENTO brings to us is robustness in performance evaluation and monitoring, verification of the work that we are undertaking on the properties or that we are involved in being undertaken on those properties. Making this platform that will be robust to enable energy performance certificates to be used, given that the market is quite immature at the moment for energy performance certificates. But I think what the platform will be able to do is to ensure that there can be more robust evaluation of properties and to work in that area. And so I think there will be significant developments as a result of the project, and I think that there will be opportunities where that will be exploited in the future. I think the challenges for Carbon Co-op in this particular pilot study is around implementing a much deeper level of monitoring and analysis than we have done in the past. But I think for us this isn't a step change, it's a development. So this really represents an opportunity for us to improve on the work that we have done in the past and to develop that work to new levels.